This tutorial will provide several methods for you to fix iPhone Live Photos not working issue. Just watch and get the one you need. 1. Live Photos do not show in Photos app. Solutions. 1. Enable and use Live Photos correctly on iPhone. Open camera. Tap Live button yellow. Capture Live Photos. Keep iPhone steady until live icon disappears. Use iPhone's 3D Touch to view live photos. Solution 2. Disable low power mode. Option 1. Go to Settings Battery to find out the low power mode option. Then slip the slider to turn the mode off. Option 2. Charge your iPhone to turn off the low power mode. 2. No sound from live photos. Solution 1. Turn off the mute button. You can check the mute button is turned on or not. If it is on, just turn it back off. Solution 2. Check the iPhone speaker. Check for mute button. Turn off if on. If not, test iPhone sound with Music app. If no sound, seek repair. 3. Unable to start live photos on iPhone. Solution 1. Reboot your phone. Fix iPhone problems. Press home and power buttons until screen blanks, then hold power to restart. Solution 2. Free up your device. To clean your iPhone, the most common way is to delete the useless or undesired files from iPhone.